whenever you're feeling the hand, the issue is not the hand. You know what I mean?
Yes. Exactly.
There is no spoon.
There is no spoon.
There is no spoon.
Just thinking.
Instead, realize the truth. That it is your shoulder that changes and not the hand. So then you have your root in your shoulder, and then you just have your mind upon my center. And those are your connections, right? So then from there, when you feel that, you feel how little, now also in addition to your mind being here, there is that feeling of fluidity, a feeling of, you know, kind of a, like turning on the air hockey table. So then from there, turn on the air hockey table and just float her there. That's it. You don't need to move your feet or anything. That's it. Okay? Now, there's more. Okay? Because what I'm feeling is a little bit of a mush.
Okay.
Okay? This is actually what gets taken to the center. Yeah, your mind and the funny bone.
So this whole thing needs to
Yes.
go that way.
So then right into the center, not across my center.
Okay.
Yes, you feel that. Feel how strong that is.
Yeah, it's, and I'm not feeling too.
And I was going pretty hard.
It's cool.
Right?
I like it.
So I go here. I'm going pretty hard right now.
Really?
Let
That's
go.
funny.
Let go.
Oh, you can't even feel it.
You can't tell.
I always think, I trust that you're telling me the truth. Obviously I do. But there's like a little inkling that he's going, oh, I'm going hard, but he's not going that hard. And
Well, you don't
I
really
can feel
know
it.
until
Yeah.
you feel it.
Wow,
You have to
that was
experience
crazy.
things to truly trust in them. And that's what's so hard about this path, the internal path. But, yes, I was pushing pretty hard.
It was weird when I let go,
But
I
it
didn't
feels
realize
like-
how much was there because I let go and suddenly it was like this wave. Pushed me
That's
out of
what's
the way.
so crazy about an internal approach to things, an internal Wing Chun. When you're doing it right, my pressure changes in how you feel it. It completely changes it. So even if I'm going hard, it doesn't feel hard. It feels, you know, that's
This might be the wrong word, but it's almost like when I'm doing this right and I'm going there, your energy comes kind of almost irrelevant.
Yes.
Not irrelevant that I don't need to pay attention, but irrelevant that I don't really care what's happening too much. I'm just,
Yes.
so much.
And that's why everything really revolves around us. Everything. And then once we have it, things start to bounce away from us. We're attracted to what we're doing, not distracted by what they're trying to do. So that's why I say distraction equals weakness.
I like it.
Attraction to what you're doing in that moment is the power, is your power. That's your internal power. So, same thing. Get this, and then just think there. Okay, so you feel how something was disconnected, and it was here.
Okay, so we gotta go back to the cramp.
So your body basically tells me what your mind is thinking. That's why I always say, I can read minds. No, I can't read minds, but your body
Read
tells me.
energy.
Yeah, your body's telling me what you're forgetting. Yes. Feel the
And that one
difference?
I was engaging a lot more.
Feel the
in
difference?
Cramp.
Yeah.
I was cramping a lot more. So a little
Okay.
bit, it kind of went away. Shoulder went forward.
Don't think of me. Forget
Okay.
me. I don't exist. You keep your eyes open so you know exactly where your goal is, but I don't exist.
Okay. Wow.
Feel that difference?
Totally.
I didn't
Nothing
try
there.
to put less pressure on you. And that's the deceiving thing about when you get it correctly. That's so hard. It's so hard to wrap our minds around.
Especially because it's not a huge margin. The margin's super narrow. It's such a, literally the saying, it's a fine line between this. It's a super fine, and it is a line. It's a fine
super
line.
subtle.
You're a little bit off, and
Super
everything's
subtle.
just out of whack.
Super subtle, and that's why it can be frustrating, but also why you need so much patience.
It's frustrating in that regard, but on the good side, it's pretty exciting. Like you get,
Well, it's amazing.
Yeah, when
Because
it's
it feels
going
like-
good, you're like,
I
whoa!
mean, it feels like magic.
Yeah,
You
it really
know,
does.
I mean, obviously it's not magic, but it feels like it. It's all based on science. It's all
physics. Man,
it's
this
all
is huge
there.
Physics.
It's all there.